Hello friends, welcome to CAD Maniac. Autodesk have launched AutoCAD 2025 version. So quickly we will see how we can download and install AutoCAD 2025 version. So to download AutoCAD 2025, click on the link provided in the description section below. If you have a student account, click on sign in and sign in with your credentials. And if you don't, then create one. Click on create account, fill up your name, email ID and give a strong password. Accept the terms and click on create account. Next you have to verify your email ID. So open your email, click on the mail from Autodesk and then just click on verify email. So it has been verified, hit done. Now scroll down and click on Get Started under AutoCAD. Fill up your email address, hit I agree and then click on Continue. Select your educational role, input your date of birth, click on Continue. Next select your country, put the address, city and postal code. Select institution type, input the name of your educational institution, input the school website, input graduation date, just a random one. Check this box and click on Continue. Again click on Continue. You don't have to sign in to share ID. Just close this and then again click on Continue. Scroll downwards. Then click here to upload your document. Select your college iCard from your PC and then click on Continue. Then click on Submit. Now go to your email. See, and verification email has been sent. Now get back to this page and reload. And here it is. You have the confirmation from Autodesk. Your access will last for 12 months. After that, you can renew it. Now click on Get Autodesk Software. Now scroll down and click on Get Product under AutoCAD. Here it is, AutoCAD 2025 version. Then click on Install and accept the terms. And then you can launch the installer, or otherwise you can download the software. Once the software gets downloaded, we have to extract the files. Now open the folder, select the setup, and then click on Run as admin. Then click on I agree, and then click on Next, and then click on Install. Now once the software gets installed, click on Finish and then launch AutoCAD 2025 version. Click on Sign in and sign in with your Autodesk ID. Now click on Go to Product. And here it is, AutoCAD 2025 version. Click on New and you can enjoy AutoCAD 2025. So that's it for this tutorial guys. Everybody stay healthy, stay safe. Bye-bye.